Hi everyone, welcome again. I am back with my new video. Today I am going to make a conversation with Sanjib. And if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. You always get here regarding English related videos, and I always try to do make such type of videos. I hope this video would be helpful to you. First of all, you're welcome to in my channel.
Thank you, brother. Thank you for giving me the chance for to your channel.
Yes, how are you right now?
I'm doing well.
Yes, and
How about you?
yeah, I am also doing well.
Okay. Nowadays you shoot lot of video. I watch your video on YouTube.
Yes, yes, I am making lots of video nowadays. Yes,
Yes.
yes, because my practicing is going very well. Yes,
Yes. Yes.
yes, day by day, I am I am improving my English.
Yes. You find a partner. You Skype so many people
Yes,
there.
yes, yes, I am
Yes.
finding a partner. I am finding partner on Skype app.
Yes. Yes. There are
Yes,
Bishnudip, Montu, Mohinder, one another Bihar. I don't know who is his name. I don't know his name. He is from Bihar,
yes, yes, yes,
and another West Bengal.
yes. And could you
Badal
please
Shah,
tell me what?
Badal, Badal Shah.
Yes, yes, yes. But I don't know too much person, but I know some people like you, Montu Kiro, Biswajit Gov. Yes,
Yes, yes,
yes, Mahendra Rawat.
yes. Mohinder Rawat. Yes.
Yes, yes,
I try to connect at morning. I try to connect him but he is busy that time. He was busy that time.
yes.
So tomorrow I
Actually,
will we will call 8:30 a.m. We decide that we will
yes,
call. Yes, yes,
yes. Actually, Mahendra Rawat does job in your company.
yes, yes, yes,
That's why, he stay busy.
yes, yes. He work in an government job or private job.
Actually, I don't know
Yes.
about what type of job he does.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes. And could you please tell me what is the weather condition in your area?
Weather is fine. Actually, sun come out, but
Yes,
after evening, every day after evening, rain will happen every day.
yes, yes. Actually, in my area, it is cloudy. Yes, and
Okay,
I think um, after some time, rain will be fall.
okay, okay. So actually you complete your study, complete your college.
No, no, no. My study is going on.
Okay, okay,
I am pursuing graduation. Yes, I am in
okay,
a second year.
okay, okay,
Yes,
okay,
and I am staying at hostel.
okay, okay.
Yes.
So yesterday I connect another person. His name is uh, Kajol. He's from Kanpur.
What?
Kajol, Kajol. His name Kajol.
Oh, Kajol.
Yes, he's
Okay.
from Kanpur. Kanpur. He's from Kanpur.
Oh, yes, yes. She is from Kanpur. Okay.
Kanpur. He's from Kanpur.
Yes. Actually, I don't know about her.
If you find you go you WhatsApp group, so you find this his name.
WhatsApp group, English speaking group,
Oh, you do not get a WhatsApp group.
English speaking group.
Yes, yes, yes. There you find and so many people there.
Yes, yes. I also joined English speaking group on WhatsApp.
Yes. Please put your number on group, so you find lots of people.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Yes. And How is the your practicing is going on?
Not very good because I am busy. My schedule is busy. So whenever I get time, try to practice. But I listen a lot. Actually, I listen a lot in English YouTube content video.
Yes, yes. But you
Yes,
are listening a lot. Okay.
yes, yes. But practice not happen because everybody busy his schedule. So we can so much time to practice.
Yes, yes. Because of listening, you can do it.
Yes, yes. I do not skip listening.
Yes,
And
yes.
sometimes when I have time, I practice speaking English at home, alone, myself. Nobody. I just record my video. So if I not practice, I forget all the thing. This is the reason I practice every day.
Okay. And could you please tell me, do you have any sibling?
No, yes, yes. Sibling, one brother,
Yes.
one sister.
Okay, okay. Yes.
What about you?
Yes, I I have no sibling, but I have only one brother.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes, because mm, I have one brother, and that's why I cannot say I have sibling. Okay,
Okay,
actually
okay,
I have
okay.
only one. I
Only
have
one son. Only
yes,
one. Yes, yes. Okay,
yes. I have only one brother. I have one brother.
okay, okay.
Yes, he is studying in a 12th class.
Okay, okay.
Yes, and he opted arts stream in intermediate.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes. If we choose any topics to discuss, no problem. Another day we discuss pollution or childhood or other things, social
Okay.
media. So many topics we have to discuss. Social
Okay.
media, yes,
Yes.
social media, pollution, childhood, so many.
Okay. Okay. Yes. First of all, tell me, could you? Sorry. First of all, you tell pollution.
Created. Pollution, we have faced so many pollution like sound pollution, air pollution, water pollution. So uh, day by day, everything is increasing, and air pollution is the most dangerous thing now we face because in rural area it did not face so much air pollution, but in city faced a lot of problem air pollution. Like Delhi, Delhi is the most pollution city in our country.
Yes. Yes. Delhi is the most population city in our country. Yes. Absolutely right. This point. Yes. Uh, I would like to say something about this. Yes.
Uh, yes,
Yes.
yes. Go ahead.
Yes. Thanks. Thank you for giving this opportunity to discussing about this matter.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Actually, pollution is increasing day by day.
Yes.
Okay. Pollution is increasing day by day. So what we are facing lots of problem. We are facing climate changes.
Yeah, climate change. Yes.
Yes,
Due
and
to
yes, the cold days are becoming colder, and the hot days are becoming hotter.
we face breathing problem. Nowadays we face breathing problem, and so
Yes,
many other related disease we have suffer due
yes,
to air
yes, and
pollution. And same time we face air pollution, sound pollution. Day by day, so much noise created by transport and others, mic, so many things. And
uh,
water due to
why sorry to interrupt you. Why are you facing such type of problem? Why are you facing this problem? What is the reason? What is the behind of this? What is the reason behind of this problem? Actually,
it is actually human creation.
yes, yes, yes. Actually, we have it happens. It's happened, and that's why we have been uh, we have been irresponsible. We have been irresponsible towards our Mother Earth. Yes, we are using too much petroleum. We are using too much petroleum. We are abusing our sources. We are abusing our sources. Yes, and uh, we are imitating too much wastage into air and water. That's why we are facing such type of problem. We are facing this problem. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And could you please tell me what is the solution? How to how to remove this problem, and how to control control increasing day by day process? Please could you tell me some
Actually,
some
government takes so many steps to curb the situation. Like electric. Now we use electric car, electric scooter. So the petroleum used less. Now nowadays is bike, car, everything we use in electric. So this is the good step by taken by government and
yes
other. Yes. So this is one of the thing. And water problem, water yes, water are another way we face water pollution. So this is the thing, because due to factory wasted touch with water. So this is the reason river water is polluted day by day. But
yes
with this pollution not face rural people. Rural people is good. They good. They face air, take fresh air, fresh water, everybody. But city people face a lot of problem.
yes yes yeah, this, your point is great.
Yes, yes.
Actually, and we must plant trees. Yes, at least we must plant a sapling on our birthday. Yes,
Yes, yes, yes, yes.
yes,
It is
yes,
necessary. It is necessary.
yes. It is very big point. We must plant a sapling on our birthday. We don't we should not purchase a cake